Example 2. Find the number of terms in the sequence. 1, minus 3, minus 7, minus 11, minus 251. Notice there's a full stop, which indicates that that's the final term in this particular sequence. So we start off by labeling A as 1. So A is equal to 1, the first term. We work out the difference between the terms. To get from 1 to minus 3, it's minus 4. From minus 3 to minus 7, it's minus 4. From minus 7 to minus 11 is minus 4. So we see minus 4 is a common difference. So D is equal to minus 4. And that means it's an arithmetic sequence. So the first difference is the same. We write out our nth term formula. Tn equals A plus bracket n minus 1 bracket D. So this is given in the formula book, no need to learn it off. Then we're going to replace A for 1. We're going to replace the D with minus 4 with brackets around it. And then Tn is going to be replaced with minus 251 because that's the last term in our sequence. So the only algebraic term left should be an n. An n stands for the number of terms, the amount of terms, and that's what we're trying to find. So Tn, we replace with minus 251. A we replace with 1, and D we replace with minus 4. So next we're just going to multiply out the brackets, simplify, and then solve for n. So the rest of the question is algebra. So we bring down the minus 251, bring down the 1. N times minus 4 is minus 4n. Minus 1 times minus 4 is plus 4. Be very careful with the plus there. A minus by minus is a plus. Then simplifying, 1 plus 4 makes 5. And then bringing all the numbers to the left, or you could bring them all to the right. It's up to you. We have minus 251 minus 5, because the plus 5 came over and became minus 5, is equal to minus 4n. That gives us minus 256 equals minus 4n. And then solving for n, dividing by minus 4. A minus divided by a minus is a plus. And 256 divided by 4 is 64. So the number of terms is 64. So if we were to write out all these numbers and we keep minusing 4 each time up as far as we get to minus 251, we would have wrote out 64 terms. And it makes sense that n should be a positive whole number because it's an amount of something.